Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dini Andini Febrianti. My NPM 19220309 and I am from class B3 2019 English Education. Today I will explain my presentation about an analysis of factor influencing learners' English speaking skills. Content. The first is introduction, second is definition of speaking, the importance of speaking, characteristic of speaking skill, speaking problem, factor affecting speaking skill, previous studies on the speaking skill, and the last is conclusion. About the introduction, we can explain is communication is a complex process. Person needs communication when they want to say and transmit information. Speaker use communication when they are going to inform someone about something. Speakers apply language. The second is speaking definition. Defined speaking as an interactive process of making meaning that includes producing, receiving, and processing. Speaking as the production of auditory signals to produce different verbal response. It is regarded as combining sound systematically to form meaningful sentences. Defined speaking as a two-way process including a true communication of opinions, information, or emotion. Next slide is the importance of speaking. Learners should have enough English speaking ability in order to communicate easily and effectively with other people. Studied the use of language outside the classroom situation and understood that speaking is used twice as much as reading and writing combined. Listening and speaking are learners' language tools. Started that in the traditional method, the speaking skill was ignored in this classroom where the emphasis was on reading and writing skill. Great significance of all the four language skill called listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Speaking is the more important one that is very necessary for the effective communication. Next slide. Characteristic of speaking skills is the fluency in the learner's abilities to speak in understandable way in order not to break down, because listeners may lose their interest. That fluency is the ability to ensure coherency by connecting the words and phrases, pronunciating the sound clearly, and using stress and intonation. The second characteristic of speaking performance is accuracy. Learners should be fluent in learning a foreign language. The third slide is speaking problems. Problem is that the learners complain that they cannot remember anything to say and they do not have any motivation to express themselves. Within themselves, learners often have nothing to say, probably because their teachers had selected a topic that is not appropriate for them, or they do have enough information about it. Started that is very difficult for learners to answer when their teacher asks them to tell things in factor affecting speaking skills. Performance conditional impact. Speaking performance involves time pressure, planning, the quality of performance, and the amount of support. The second factor relates the effective ones. That one of the important factors in learning a language is the affective side of a student. A lot of affective variables have been connected to second language acquisition and motivation, self-confidence, confidence, and accuracy were the three main tips that have been investigated by many research. Listening ability is the third factor. Learners cannot improve their speaking ability unless they develop listening ability. Next slide is reviews studies on the factor affecting speaking skills. 132 Korean learners participated in this research. The results obtained from this research showed that student anxiety level had a negative relationship to their oral performance. Carried out a study on the factor increasing the development of learners' speaking skills. The results represented that the use of appropriate activities for speaking skill can be a good strategy to decrease speakers' anxiety. The last slide is conclusion. The finding of this paper indicated that learners with a low self-esteem, higher anxiety, and low motivation have serious difficulties in speaking skill, in spite of having acceptable linguistic skills. The paper showed that students who have higher motivation and lower anxiety can speak easily and effectively. I think it's enough for me to this presentation. Thank you for all audience to come and join to this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.